during the day. They're nocturnal dragons. Ah, poor little guy. Let's head home. It's starting to get dark, and where there's one speed singer, there's usually a whole